This is my 2018 Nissan Murano. It's a platinum, and that does matter a little bit. In this video, I'll be showing how to take advantage or to utilize your cargo capacity. This being a crossover SUV, as I call them, yes, it does have some capacity, but you do have to give something up, either passenger space or the trunk space, right? You can't have both. So in this example, I bought a dishwasher, and as you can see, the box is pretty large. It is jutting into the passenger space right now, and as much as I've got space over here, the shape profile of the rear meant I had to push that box as far in as possible. And in fact, it is jutting as far as, this is how far it's going into the passenger compartment. But in the video, I just wanted to show you, it's kind of, I guess it's one of those videos that might help one or two people. I'm guessing some people who own these vehicles already know how to play with them, but I want to show you how to drop your seats, your rear seats, to be able to gain this flat space in the back. So in the Platinum, you've got powered seats, but I think in all of them you can just drop your seats manually using this lever over here, and watch what happens. Pull. It's kind of violent, it shakes the whole vehicle. And since you did that manually, assuming you're in the back, let's go look at it from this other side. So in this case, this one works. You've got enough space to do whatever you need to do. Just make sure that your front seat back is not reclined too far, and your headrest is not extended out as well. To pull it back up, we can do it one of two ways. Well, let's do it from the back, assuming you're still in the back. The Platinum has powered seats, so see this button over here? It does have the rear motion, I guess rear reclining motion. So what I'm going to do is pull and hold it. Let me just pull it one time and see what happens. It just beeps, right? But if I pull and hold, again, just make sure there's no obstruction. And when it clicks, does a beep, you're pretty much done. If you hold it, the motor still keeps running, but nothing else happens. So that's it. That's pretty much the basics. You can also do this from the front if you ever wanted to. And I want you to pay attention to this. See how much this cushion is sticking out? Yeah, it's almost 90 degrees. Quite uncomfortable, but we'll deal with that later. If you wanted to recline this from the front, all you need to do is this. See this strap over here? Pull, and obviously you saw how it violently went down. Yeah, just stay out of the way. Pull. There you go, and everything folds over. From the front, you can recline the seat, and all you need to do is grab it manually, pull it up. See that? A little bit of interference here. Thankfully the motor was able to overcome that. Sometimes it gets stuck. If you recline it too far back, it won't go past that. Then pull this, push it back. When you hear a click, it's engaged. As I said, right now it is a little too far from my liking, so what I need to do is need to find a way to push this seat back, make it recline a little more. And for that, what I need to do is come here, grab that same strap, but it's just a disengagement strap. So what I need to do is grab it, but I'll use my elbow to push the seat backwards, as far back as I want. So again, watch how far it sticks out here. Pull and elbow it backwards. See, you can move kind of freely. Elbow it backwards, as deep as I want, and there you go. Now it is reclined in there. Nice and easy, a little more comfortable for people to sit in. And as I said, you can make it go any one way. You could pull the strap, or you could use the rear, and it doesn't really matter. Either one of the ways would work. So like right now, if I do this, down it goes, and I can come in from the rear, sorry, pull this up. Beep means it's done. The motor's running just a little bit, and when that's done, just like I did with the rear, remember I said that the strap over there was just a disengagement point, same as this lever here. I can pull it and pull the seat backwards. So just got to figure out how to do it with one hand, I guess. I'll grab it with my hand and grab this lever here, if I can do it. Yeah, I can, I think. I don't know, we'll try. Okay, grab it with my hand, and at the same time go for this. Okay, so I'm pulling the lever and then pulling this seat back. It kind of moved forward, but I can pull it backwards. So that's it. That's the entire purpose of this lever, just to disengage it. So it's a long video. I'm guessing, I don't know, I can't really assume. You never really know who uses these cars and what they use them for, so I can't really say what your lifestyle is. But in case you ever needed to recline your seats, to put some cargo in there, I hope this video will help you. And yeah, of course, I've got the rear cargo net, and for me, I don't like leaving it just hanging around, so that's why I put it up. But obviously you could, it's elastic, so you could just pull it down and load whatever you want. But since it's a nice hard floor, I just disengage that hook, the other hook down there, and then set those off to the side. And then at this point, and that's exactly what I'm about to do, grab the box, slide it in and out. And I hope this video does make sense and helps at least 1 to 2 people who might be in dire need of some instruction of this kind. Alright, enjoy your vehicles, guys.